You took something that belonged to my employers.
Shit! That's the cocksucker that Johnny ripped off of the diamond loot! Hey, why don't we see if he can keep up with some real American bikers? Hey, let's do this!
Here we go again.
Motorrad, nein, ich mag Auto fahren. Scheiße. Jetzt kann ich ja nicht rammen. Diese Deppen, ja gut. Echte amerikanische Biker. Ja, pass auf. Jetzt lernen dann einen richtigen bayerischen Biker kennen. Ja, die haben wir gleich. Da ein Kinderspiel, oder?
Perhaps he was not such a good rider.
Der war der Erste. Der hat das Hirn schon weggehauen. Hey, warte mal. Du amerikanischer Biker. Was ist denn die U-Bahn? In die U-Bahn. Da springen wir noch rein. So mal, die andere Richtung. So, der Fernlicht brauche ich nicht. Ich brauche kein Fernlicht. Ich brauche gerade meine Knarre, gell? Damit ich den triff. Wieso mal du? Er steckt vor dir, ja? Vorsicht, Gegenverkehr. Sag mal, Herr Rocker, gibt's da mehr auf, ha? Ach, halt die Sau. Wollen wir zugeben. Schau mal. Ja, voll der Ronny aber schon. Oder bin ich gerade so blöd, ha? Oh. Wird ein bisschen eng. Ja gut. Das war's mal nicht. Schau mal die an. Schaut ein bisschen schön aus, ha? Nehmen wir die da.
I got rid of those bikers for you. Johnny wasn't there, though.
The other guy's meant to be taking care of him. Don't worry about it, Nicky.
Zeig das. Jetzt fahren wir. Was haben wir da? Broker, Fire Department. Die Feuerwehr, die feiern gerade. Jetzt fahren wir, pass auf, gleich mal durch, weil wir gerade da sind. Wieso, mein Baby? Finger weg von meiner... Ich schieß dir in den Arsch, gell? Baby, geh heim. Die betatscht einfach mein Motorrad. Gibt's denn sowas? Hoppala. Du hast aus Versehen weggedruckt. Ja gut. Wenn er was möchte, dann ruft er schon wieder an. Kollege, ich brauch... Moment. Das da unten brauche ich. Da ist einiges draufgegangen. So mal. Da geht ja ganz schön was. Ja, den hat er noch nicht. So, mal es regnet schon wieder. Ja, pass mir auf, jetzt fahren wir noch. Wo fahren wir hin? Da oben sind wir. Ja gut, fahren wir da mal. Der ist am nettesten. Jetzt würde ich sagen, jetzt machen wir noch eine Mission und dann haben wir eine Pause rein. Der Ray.
Hey, Nicky. You been a decent earner for me, and I appreciate that. I'm throwing you a bone.
What are you waiting for? Throw it.
There's some fellow called Talbot. Talbot Daniels over in the Triangle. He's into me for about 10 G's, and he says he might know something about Florian Kravitch.
Florian.
Your days of searching are over, my friend. This guy should point you in the right direction.
Ja gut, Planänderung. Jetzt fahren wir. Ja, wohin?
Hey, Roman, can you do me a favor?
Anything for you, cousin. Just name it. You want some women? I met them.
He's not dead. I'm coming to collect you from the apartment. Wait for me there.
Ja gut, wir holen den Roman ab. Jetzt wird abgerechnet. Ja du, Hirn. Der taugt Abrechnung. Allerdings sollte mir vielleicht ein Fahrzeug besorgen, gell? Also Automoney. Ja, warte mal. Da haben wir doch eine schöne Auswahl. Nehmen wir die Kisten. Weg das. Nicht die schnellste, aber sie fährt. Das ist die Hauptsache. Jetzt muss ich allerdings zu diesem Apartment nochmal. Das ist mal wieder auf der anderen Seite. Wo er sonst geht. Oh. Ein kleiner Unfall. Da, du Trottel. Aus Weg ist Deppen. Ich muss noch ein bisschen abrechnen. Die Endabrechnung. Oh. Das ist ein bisschen eng geworden. Pass auf die nächste. So, mein Roman. Wo ist denn dieses Apartment? Ja, was ist denn das da? Der geschissene Moppefahrer. Ein frischer Tat erwischt, gell? Und zwar eiskalt. Onkel Roman. Ah, da ist er.
There you are.
Da bin ich. Und jetzt fahren wir zu Talbot.
I have found Florian Kravitch. There's a man called Talbot Daniels who will lead us to it.
Talbot? I know him from some of the card games I play. So, we're finally going to kill Florian Kravitch. You know, if this fucks up, the bad shit's coming down on my head.
What do you mean?
I mean, you fuck up and I take this shit. You kill the wrong guy, and his friends will fuck with me to get to you. I didn't have no scars until you arrived. Now I am practically chopping board to have so many cuts on me.
You are a rich chopping board.
I worry for you, NB. Sometimes you just gotta let the hate go. You really going to feel better once Florian is dead?
Soon, we will find out.
Mein Gott, dieser Roman, gell? Der jammert immer. Der Talbot. Wo ist der? Da drinnen, ha?
There he is. Let's go talk to him. He's always at the games being held around Algonquin. Not too good either. I don't think I've seen him win a hand.
Hey, I hear you know Florian Krevich. Where is he?
Florian Kravik? I don't know what you're talking about.
I've been head-to-head with this guy a few times, NB. I know his tells. He's lying.
Roman, what's this about?
He doesn't act well under pressure, NB. Beat him a little.
All right already. There's a guy I know, likes to be called Florian Kravik at, certain moments. Lives uptown somewhere.
Show me.
Jetzt möchte einen viertürigen Wagen. Sag mal, immer diese extra Wünsche. Ja, pass auf, haben wir doch schon. Ein Familienauto. Weiter beim Einsteigen.
Stupid, Talbot.
Extra Wünsche gibt's nicht. Weiter Talbot. Bisschen schneller.
You better be taking us to the right place, Talbot.
Okay, if I'm right, Bernie's place is somewhere uptown. Oh, I think, if I'm not wrong, it's straight.
Was sagt er? Geradeaus weiter, sagt er. Der sagt geradeaus, oder? Fahren wir geradeaus.
Make a U-turn, we're safe. In 100 yards.
Okay then. Okay, I think you should maybe turn right.
Ja, rechts abbiegen. Ja gut, da muss ich aufpassen, gell, was er sagt. Dann sollte ich mal hingehen.
Please make a U-turn, we're safe. Please proceed to highlighted route.
Oh Kollege, sag was.
Calculating route.
Just go straight here.
Ja gut, er hätte mich geradeaus.
Please proceed.
Try going straight here. Easy there, man. You need to go slow if I'm gonna be able to get you there.
Mein Gott.
Head on straight.
Mann, ich bin doch ein Raser.
In 200 yards. Turn right.
Muss mir ein bisschen zügeln.
Please make a U-turn, we're safe.
Okay, maybe left.
Was hat er vielleicht? Vielleicht nach links.
Gotta go right here.
Ja gut, da kämen wir nicht aus.
Please proceed to highlighted route.
This is it. This is Bernie's place. Are you going to kill him?
When I'm done with Florian, he will be begging to die. That is the most your friend can look forward to. Get out of here now. You've done your job.
Nico, be calm. Be calm.
Fuck! Kom! Florian! Oddesam zbog tebe, Drgađijor! Otvori! Florian! I've come for you, Florian.
Oh, go away!
Florian. Yesitoti.
Nico? What the hell are you doing here?
What happened to you?
Oh, I started working out. You know, toned up the,
Florian? You used to work in the abattoir?
Oh, don't remind me. Roman? You put on a few vanity pounds. What are you guys doing here? Why did you kick my door down?
I've come to ask you some questions.
It wasn't you, was it?
What wasn't me?
Who set us up? It was you or Darko. I thought it must be him. Oh my God. You think it was me? That's why you are here. You've come to kill me. Well, screw you, Nico Bellic and Fatty Roman. It wasn't me, it wasn't. I wouldn't do that.
Can we stop with the fat jokes, Florian?
It's Bernie now. After I came here, I wanted a complete change, so I became Bernie Crane. I'm sorry about the fat thing. You're still kind of cute.
Gee, thanks.
What are you doing here?
Well, I'm a lifestyle coach, and I teach an aerobics class, and I'm in love. He's married. It's so doomed. And he's in politics. He's the deputy mayor.
Bryce Dawkins? But he's so into family values.
Oh, that's just politics.
Where is Darko?
Dead, I hope! I'm not sure. I heard he was still in Europe or Switzerland or somewhere. But then I heard that you had joined the circus, so information can be unreliable.
We have to find him. We have to find him.
I think he's a bit freaked out. I guess he thought seeing you would answer some questions.
So I see. Well, it's great to see you guys. We must do brunch.
Sure. See you later, Florian.
Bernie!
So, Florian has changed?
Yes.
He's moved on from what happened to you. You should have moved on too. What are you going to do?
He may not be here in Liberty City, but he's still out there. I will find out where Darko Brevich is, and I will make him answer for his actions. We know now that it was him. I need to be alone now, Roman.
Sure. I'll see you later then. Call me, okay?